Let's talk about the recently launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi Note 12 Pro with trend-setting flat frame design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display with 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and with 20:9 aspect ratio with 86% screen to body ratio with 395 ppi pixel density and with 120 Hz refresh rate and with scratch resistant glass protection with punch hole display. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with quad camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main camera along with the 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera with 2 megapixel macro camera and 2 megapixel depth camera for selfies. It has 16 megapixel camera will also be located with punch hole display for the software front. The handset turns on Android 11 based on exclusive optimized version of MIUI 13 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core powered by Qualcomm SM7150 Snapdragon 732G chipset paired with Adreno 618 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB UFS 2.2 of ROM of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB. Fire dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical damages of the smartphone measures at 164.20 by 76.1 by 8.12 mm and it weighs around 201.8 grams. And the color options: graphite gray, glacier blue, polar white, colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 67-watt turbo fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G dual-point Wi-Fi Bluetooth 5.0 GPS L1 3.5 mm headphone jack and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Redmi Note 12 Pro has been priced in Pakistan for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 89,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusions. So what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 12 Pro smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below, and for more tech updates, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.